Welcome to the perfect place to learn English easily and fast. If you want to improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking in a fun and simple way, this is the ideal channel for you. Here, you will learn real English with quizzes, conversations, and practical examples you can use every day. Let's start learning together.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to travel the world and speak English with confidence, you are in the right place. Today's episode is all about English at the airport. I'm going to guide you step by step through a real airport experience, from arrival to boarding the plane, using simple and clear English. So relax, listen carefully, and imagine you are at the airport right now. You arrive at the airport early in the morning. You look around and see many people, suitcases, and screens with flight information. The first thing you need to do is find the check-in counter. Let's practice. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter? Good. Now imagine you are speaking to the airport staff.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Yes, here it is.
Where are you traveling today?
I am traveling to Miami.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase. Great job. Now your luggage is checked, and you receive your boarding pass. Now you go to security. This is very important, so listen carefully. At security, you may hear, "Please place your bags on the conveyor belt." Remove your shoes. Take out your laptop. Let's repeat. I understand. I understand. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Always stay calm and follow instructions. Next, you go to passport control. Here, an officer will ask you questions.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am traveling for vacation.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 1 week.
Where will you stay?
I will stay at a hotel. Perfect. These are very common questions, so practice them many times. Now you are at the gate, waiting for your flight. You hear an announcement. Flight 305 to New York is now boarding. You check your boarding pass and prepare to board. Let's practice. What time is boarding? Where is gate 12? Now it's time to board the plane. Mini dialogue. May I see your boarding pass? Here it is. Thank you. Have a nice flight. Thank you. You walk into the plane and find your seat. After the flight, you arrive at your destination. Now you go to baggage claim. If you need help, you can say, "Excuse me, where is baggage claim?" Or, "My luggage is missing." Let's review some important phrases. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Where is my gate? Where is my gate? Where is my gate? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Practice these phrases every day. Now repeat after me. I have one suitcase. I have one suitcase. I have one suitcase. I have one suitcase. I am traveling to New York. 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 What time is boarding? What time is boarding? What time is boarding? What time is boarding? Can you help me, please? 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 Great job. Take your time. Repeat again if necessary. Here are important airport words you must know. Passport. 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 Boarding pass. Boarding pass. Boarding pass. Luggage. Baggage. Luggage. Baggage. Luggage. Baggage. Suitcase. 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 Security check. Security check. Security check. Flight. 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 Great job. Repeat these words out loud. Practice every day to improve your pronunciation and confidence.
Thank you for watching this video. Comment below what you learned, what you understood, and how you did in the quiz. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next video.